Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, and welcome back to my channel if you guys already know me. In case if you don't know me, then make sure you check out my about section, okay? And yeah, happy Dussehra to all of you. I want to know that how you guys celebrated Durga Puja or Navratri. If you talk about mine, I enjoyed a lot. It was quite good, but still the festive mood was not present. Was whatever it was before, it was not present, but still it was quite good. Today again I am back. Today I got time because today is the last day. Today is Dashami, so I got time to shoot this video, and now I will be telling you about this topic very in a relaxed way. So what is the topic all about? The topic is all about the statement. Can you see? Yes, it is that if you did your schooling from an English medium school, you end up becoming fluent. That is true or not? Let's say A, let me take a name like A, okay, got admission, her parents got her admission into a good reputed school, into a good school, and B got admission in a government school or Bengali medium or any kind of school, Hindi. So does it mean that if you take admission in a well-known school, the teachers will be training you to be fluent, the teachers will be giving you some kind of magic stick to be the topper? And does it mean that if you take admission in a government school or any kind of Hindi or Bengali medium school, the teacher would be neglecting you? Is that true? No, of course. Then why are you thinking like that? That if you take admission in a good school in English medium, you end up becoming fluent? No, the textbooks are only in English. Okay, the textbooks are and the teachers only speak in English certain point of time, and rest friends speak in their native language only, either Hindi or Bengali. In my case, it happened. So see, doctors, engineers, teachers, public speaker can also be if someone has studied from a government school, and someone can become a lawyer, engineer, anything if they have studied from an English medium school. And it doesn't mean that they can't be vice versa. Okay, I don't want to repeat vice versa. It doesn't mean. It's totally wrong. I have seen many people in English medium school, they are not good in studies, but whereas in Bengali medium school they are so good, and mostly they get good marks. So, and also English medium students also get good marks. So it depends totally upon the person. School doesn't actually. School is only for the name, for creating resume. Then school name will be there, and that is for good remark, good impression. It will be a good impression on you, and that is all. It doesn't make you a person. It doesn't have any kind of magic stick or mantra that the teachers will be giving you, and you will be superb. Are you getting my point? So the thing which you have, you keep on giving excuses to yourself, he or she has studied from an English medium school, that is the reason she is fluent. I didn't study, that is the reason I am not fluent, and you sit behind. No, giving excuses is giving excuses to yourself. Nothing gonna happen, nothing gonna change. Start working. I worked. How did I work? I already told. 24/7 I practice English. Even I failed. Even I wanted to speak in my comfortable language, but still I didn't. Still I did. Spoken English can be improved only by speaking. As I've said, speak, spoke, spoken. Okay? Understood the point? Oof. Now again, why you guys are not speaking? Only giving excuses can't happen anything. You guys think that studying grammar, this kind of thing, yeah, those are see, this is the body is speaking English, and the hands, legs, this kind of things are listening, reading, writing. So this, let's say this is reading, this is writing, the hands, hand, legs, and the body, the main body is speaking. Those are the things which are needed. If you don't speak, you can't. That is the harsh reality. Many people would be telling you, go do that, this. No, I have already said vocabulary comes last, speaking comes first. Work on your speaking. When I was in class 10th, I was an intermediate speaker, but I was shy when it came to speak in English. I usually used to avoid. That is the reason I didn't participate in any kind of debate, any kind of thing, because I had a low confidence in myself. But now I have gained. Now I can speak in front of 100 people. But I didn't say that I am perfect. I want to make myself trained so that I can speak in front of 1,000 person in future. Then I would be increasing the number slowly. 1,000, 100, 1,200, like that. As you can understand, learning is an endless process. It's a lifelong process. You can't by heart all the words which are there in Oxford Dictionary. Even if you like, even you take 80 years also, you can't. You would forget. That is a tendency, human tendency. There are a lot of things that are there in your head. If you keep on pressurizing yourself only by studying vocabulary, a lot of things are there. If you study so much, if you learn so much grammar and all, then you would be ended up forgetting your name. What is your name? You would be forgetting that. You don't want that, right? So learn only which are necessary and focus on your speaking. That is enough. 10th, I didn't realize that speaking in English is so much necessary. Then 12th, I was preparing for exam, my 12th board exam, but though the exam didn't happen, but then I got some free time because of lockdown. Then I thought that I need to brush up my skill. Well, like, brushing up is very much necessary. I brushed up my skill. How I did it? I watched some videos. Whatever things I'm sharing with you guys. Those things only I did. No one gave me any magic stick. No one gave me any kind of anything, whatever say. I did it. I walked upon myself. I watched video for guidance, and you're getting guidance. You can watch other videos as well. No worries. It's not like that you have to watch only my video, but you have to choose wisely which challenge is good and which one is not good. If someone is claiming learn grammar, learn that, no, those are not needed. Only choose videos which are related to spoken English. You have to choose it wisely. You have to use your brain. I did that. I followed some of the channels. You can follow also. I watched conversation. Actually, you won't be able to understand because you don't know what I was before. That is the reason you are not realizing. But you can realize if you do it. So that is the reason you do this challenge. You take up this challenge, and if you are not able to complete the challenge, give some kind of punishment and also reward. Okay. You can understand yourself, and it works tremendously, guys. It's true. I have kept on saying this, and I can't say this anymore. You have to speak, and then only you can be fluent. There is no one, but yeah, there should be a mentor, a guidance is needed. But there are a lot of videos available on YouTube. You can watch, and yeah, please stop finding faults in others' mistakes. Try to appreciate others. If not, then don't say anything. Even if the person is not good, then you can suggest instead of not criticizing, because it takes a lot of time and effort to shoot videos. It's not so easy. It's not a cup of tea to shoot videos like for talking straight for 8 minutes, 9 minutes or so. Are you getting my point? If you think it is easy, then you do it. You also turn on your camera and say the things which whatever I have said, or say anything. Is that easy? Then you can understand it's easy or not. So before criticizing anyone, do that thing. Then you can understand. Okay? Otherwise, I ignore. I don't care at all. But still, as a human being, I feel bad. Alright, so the things I have told you guys, that if you are from English medium school doesn't mean that you will be fluent, you will be these things, blah blah blah. I told you. I think now it is clear. Now you have understood. Alright, so when you hear someone, that person has completed the schooling from that school, this school, don't be shocked, don't be surprised. It's normal. Their parents got that admission, and it's like that. And if that person is not successful, if that person has not made him or her good, though by studying from that school, then it's of no use. It's useless. Okay, understood? Alright guys, so that's all for today. Maybe the video is a bit long, 11 minutes. Oh, okay, then I need to end it. Bye guys, and happy Dussehra to all of you. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.